Okay, here's how I lost $232 today. February has been the worst month for me. Okay, so what I wanted to happen yesterday happened overnight, as you see on the 1 minute. We have, 1 hour for value gap with this giant 1 hour for value gap up here. So at 8:30, we were here. I did not take this scalp. This is what I'm talking about. Then I'm going to start taking these scalps. Market structure shift, it was a fair value gap. There's also one up here. I caught this at the top as well, which is this liquidity quick scalp. Even this one here, market structure shift to this next liquidity, boom, out. Let's show you why my trade did not work. Here's the liquidity of the whole Asian and London's here, but we have one here, here, and here. So I didn't take this one because I was waiting for the liquidity sweep of the session and then, taking it maybe to a bigger game. But again, those have not been working. So here we did, I don't know what, here we did get a market structure shift with a fair value gap tapped in. I didn't get in because look at this, but I did look at the line chart and it kind of is giving a little low. So you could have got in here. It gave us a little corner. But like I said, here I did not like that. So I waited. It ran down. I tried the inverse fair value gap, which is something I don't really trade, but it passed it, wanted to come back up to it and come back down. It also, though, lined up while I took it with a new fair value gap here. This is the fair value gap between these two candles. These two. So the fair value gap at the premium of this, I got in. I probably maybe should set my stop loss at this high, but I put it at this high because that's the most recent high. And then, yeah, I got swept out. I've seen some guys talk about this, like this liquidity here always usually gets taken out before it runs down to the downside. That's why you set your stop losses here. But again, I want a tight stop loss for 230. And we also have this giant fair value gap here in the 1 minute that it seemed to tap into, and it's going to keep going. So I'm glad I didn't have a bigger stop loss. I definitely wish I would have got in though here on this scalp to here, or even here to here, especially because I can use my big lot sizes again, just get in and get out. This is what, like a 5-minute trade. Yeah, 5-minute trade here. This was a 5-minute trade here as well. So I'm still gonna keep the small lot size for now until I get my swing back. That's what I do. I always just lower my lot size till I get like 6, 7 winning trades in a row, and then I'll go back up. And also now I'm doing one trade a day. If I lose the first trade, I'm not trading anymore. If I win the first trade, obviously I'm not trading anymore. But my old rules were if I lose the first trade, I'll take one more to maybe make up for my losses and or, get in profit. But obviously if I win the first trade, that's all I take for the day. Sometimes I take 2 wins when it's those perfect setups I like where, it comes down to a 1 hour PD array and then takes out the buy side liquidity. We had a lot of those last week. I will take 2 trades on those usually, but now I'm just trying to get funded. I'm just taking 1 trade a day, so it keeps me patient. It either could be a quick scalp, which I think I'm gonna start taking for real. I know I said that in the last 3 videos, but I wanted to we got the liquidity sweep, a good one, the overall session one. So I was waiting for that one to maybe get a longer move down. And it was a little longer, but it still is about the same. So I'm gonna just start doing that, like market structure shift, even if it's internal, fair value gap, taking it to the next point liquidity, boom. We did that one here. Honestly, you could have took this just to this liquidity, the one right below it, but obviously it went to that one. See, I'm gonna start getting in my scalp bag because these moves are like 99.99%. These other ones, like here to here or here to here, a lot can happen. Go here, it can go here, it can go back up, it can go back down. Like it did yesterday, it just kept going down. Now it came back up. Yeah, I think I want to just take these. And yeah, y'all see me in my flop era, which is funny because everyone was like, January is a bad month for them. January was an amazing month for me, but now February is a bad month for me. So let's see what it is. But Yeah, small loss, which I love. And when I have losses like that, I can take, you're not scared to take any trade. So it gets rid of the fear of taking big losses. Like even if I wanted to take another trade today, I wouldn't be that mad, but I want to keep my losses small, obviously, because the ones yesterday were huge. But yeah.